नोट ये P1 का जो पासपोर्ट का जो हमारा एप्लीकेशन क्लोजर कर दी थी इन्होंने,
P1
P1 का
जी।
मेरा
अच्छा, वो
ये
क्रिमिनल केस वाला है ये
हाँ वही बात।
केस? क्या हुआ इसमें बताइए। किसको सूचना देनी थी? क्या प्रावधान है कि कोर्ट से क्या क्या प्रावधान है बताइएगा ना
सर
थोड़ा सा।
रिपोर्ट तो कुछ भी नहीं आई।
जी नहीं नहीं, क्या जो एक्यूज होता है उसको जाके थाने में सूचना देनी पड़ती है कि हम बरी हो गए हैं? ऐसा प्रावधान है क्या? यही तो आपका पिछली बार आर्ग्यूमेंट था कि एक्यूज ने आके नहीं बताया कि हम बरी हो गए इसलिए हमने जानकारी भेज दी थाने में। आगे आ जाइए। ऐसा कहाँ कहाँ लिखा है ये प्रावधान? थोड़ा समझाइए हमको। किस पुस्तक में लिखा है? सीआरपीसी, आईपीसी, एविडेंस एक्ट या आपके कोई पुलिस मैनुअल? किसमें लिखा है ये? आप कैसे वेरीफाई करते हैं किसी को भी जानकारी देने से पहले कि वो क्रिमिनल केस का क्या हुआ? जी
रिजल्ट स्लिप आती है।
क्या हुआ?
जो न्यायालय निर्णय की प्रति है
हाँ
वो सर कोर्ट साहब के कार्यालय से आती है, डीपीओ साहब के आंसर।
हाँ, तो डीपीओ साहब की गलती के लिए ये कैसे भुगतेंगे? इनका पासपोर्ट तो आपने रिन्यूअल होने के बाद विड्रॉ करा दिया। आपकी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं होती कि जब आपके पास पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन का, आपके पास पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन के लिए आया था ना, तो फिर आपकी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं होती कि आप मालूम करें कोर्ट से या डीपीओ से इस केस का क्या हुआ? बताइए ना थोड़ा सा। खड़े रहने से नहीं होगा। जी बताइए।
सर फॉरम सीआरपीसी 365।
हाँ 365 पढ़िए प्लीज।
कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन टू सेंड कॉपी ऑफ फाइंडिंग एंड सेंटेंस टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट वाले।
जी
In case tried by the court of session of a chief CJM, the court or such magistrate as the case may be shall forward a copy of its or his finding and sentence, if any, to the district magistrate within whose local jurisdiction of the trial was held.
जी, फिर कोर्ट ने नहीं भेजी? ऐसा आपने एफिडेविट पे कहा है कि कोर्ट ने नहीं भेजी? फिर इसको पढ़ने का क्या लाभ है? You should say it on affidavit that the report was not sent by the court in terms of the provisions contained in section 365 and therefore your police officers are not responsible. कितना गुमराह कर सकते हैं आप लोग?
ये रजिस्ट्रार साहब के यहाँ से तो एक सिंपल लेटर आया है बस।
क्या लेटर आया?
कुछ भी नहीं है सर इसमें।
क्या है, क्या इस लेटर में क्या लिखा है?
कुछ नहीं लिखा सर, बस हमने फ्रंट पेज की फोटो कॉपी है।
कहाँ, कब आया ये लेटर?
ये ये सर 8 तारीख को आया सर। 8 अगस्त को।
क्या लिखा है
कुछ
दिखाई?
भी नहीं है सर इसमें।
आपने इसमें
आपके ऑर्डर उसके
डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट रजिस्टर
आपने सर
ऑर्डर्स फाइल करने के लिए कहा
काइंडली स्माइल लास्ट ऑर्डर शीट
एक मिनट रुक जाइए, एक मिनट
3/8
रुक जाइए। हाँ?
ऑर्डर शीट डेटेड 3/8/23 में।
तो ये पुलिस अभियोजक का काम है ये, लिखिएगा। This petition is filed being aggrieved of order dated 13th May 2019 issued by the Ministry of External Affairs, Regional Passport Office, Bhopal, wherein it is informed that in absence of any response from your side till date, your file has been closed and appropriate notice has been placed on the website against your file number. You may, however, wish to apply for a fresh passport with all the documents and required fees anytime at the Passport Seva Kendra near your place of present residence, but will have to quote the previous file number at the appropriate places in the relevant forms. Full stop. Next para. It is submitted that petitioner was given a passport. He had applied for its renewal. Full stop. Renewal was denied. Renewal was made. Renewal किया गया था ना?
जी
सही फैक्ट्स बताइएगा.
रिन्यूअल किया गया था लॉर्डशिप, लेकिन ये जो सेपरेशन ऑफ जो वो है इंफॉर्मेशन, उसके आधार पे काट लगा के वो जमा करा लिया, हमारा पासपोर्ट जमा करा.
Full stop. Renewal was granted. क्या हुआ?
No, renewal was under process.
Renewal was under process when a note was made that petitioner had suppressed
Page 19 पे.
pendency of a criminal case
पेज 18.
in relation to crime number 453/06 under section 506, 294, 323, 34 IPC. Full stop. By the annexure P4, this case was shown to be pending at court. Full stop. It was the responsibility of the concerned police station to have informed that this case was not pending and was closed. Full stop. However, no such intimation was given by the local police, resulting in the impugned action. Full stop. Petitioner had sought, ये आप ही के हैं वकील साहब विनय पांडे.
जी
Petitioner had sought certain information from the Court of Public Information Officer in the from the office of District and Session Judge Jabalpur, wherein information was not furnished on the ground that
न्यायालय का नाम और डिसीजन डेट नहीं पता.
that the name of the court and relevant information was since not furnished, therefore an application was not entertainable. Full stop. Thereafter, petitioner had filed an appeal under the Right to Information Act. Full stop. फिर इस अपील में क्या हुआ?
अपील भी खारिज कर दी.
Appeal 2 was dismissed. Full stop. However, now it has come on record that the case in question was compromised in the year किस कब compromise हुआ?
10/12/2006.
On 10/12/2006. Full stop. Next paragraph. By the order dated 3/8/2023, this court had sought information from the concerned JMFC and the town inspector Kotwali. Full stop. Concerned JMFC, Shri Ambuj Shrivastava, not concerned, concerned District Registrar Ambuj Shrivastava has informed that case was compromised. Criminal case number 30966 of 2006 was compromised and concerned file was destroyed in terms of the rules framed in this behalf. Full stop. He has admitted that case was closed on 10/12/2006 on the basis of compromise. Full stop. He has also enclosed copy of Police Regulation 519, according to which public prosecutor is required to furnish details of all the cases for failure of the prosecution along with necessary along with the outcome of the proceedings. Full stop. Thus, onus is on the police prosecutor and not on the court to send a copy of the order. However, next para. However, Shri Nitin Gupta has read provisions contained in Section 365 of the Court of Sessions, Section 365 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, which provides that in cases tried by the Court of Sessions or a Chief Judicial Magistrate, the court or such magistrate as the case may be, shall forward a copy of its or his finding and sentence within bracket if any to the district magistrate within whose local jurisdiction the trial was held. Full stop. Reading from this provision, it is submitted that concerned court cannot wash away its hands in the garb of provisions contained in section 519 of the police regulation. Full stop. This submission has a force. There is no explanation by the concerned district registrar in regard to the provisions contained in section 365 CRPC. Full stop. However, looking to the fact that petitioner has been made to suffer on account of the lapses of the concerned trial court and the ADPO, because trial court has not been able to bring on record that it had ever complied with the requirements of section 365 CRPC, this petition is allowed. Respondent number 1 is directed to issue a fresh passport in favor of the petitioner on his completing desired formalities within 15 days from today. And in the meanwhile, full stop. In the meanwhile, respondent number 2 and 3 shall be liable to compensate the petitioner. Full stop. This cost for causing inconvenience to the petitioner and also towards the cost of this litigation is quantified at rupees 25,000.
सिर्फ एक मिनट, एनेक्सर P1 जो है वो उसको रेस्टोर कर दिया जाए, वो हमें पूरी प्रक्रिया से गुजरना पड़ेगा। फिर P1 जो है उन्होंने क्लोजर कर दिया।
ऐसा लिखिएगा, सॉरी, उसमें लिखिएगा that annexure P1 is quashed and respondent number 1 is directed to restore the application and process it and grant passport if there is no other hindrance within 15 days from the date of communication of this order.
Yes, as per last on page 12,
जी.
because now online processing has been started, Your Lordship. He has to apply afresh with an old file number. So all the documents along with your order,
online with old file number, and they undertake to process it within 15 days. जी.
Cost
क्या हो गया?
10,000।
क्या हो गया भाई?
10,000 कर दीजिए।
10,000 कर दीजिए कॉस्ट।